Hi there, students. Delectable, an adjective. Delectably, the adverb. And I guess nouns for the quality delectability or delectableness. I don't think the nouns are very common, but okay, so if something is delectable, it looks or tastes delicious. I think we use delectable particularly for food. So thank you for such a delectable supper. It was really tasty. The delectable food that you gave us was amazing. Yeah, it was delectably divine. Your coq au vin, for example. That's French. Coquauvin. Chicken in wine sauce. Okay, so if something is delectable, it looks really, really tasty. Delectable food. A delectable cake. We can use delectable also more generally to say something that gives great pleasure, particularly things that give pleasure to the senses. Primarily taste, but you can also that cake looks absolutely delectable. The delectable countryside in this region. I've had a delectable evening. Thank you for having me over. It was so kind of you. It's the delectable Miss Jones. Good evening. Okay, so delightful, lovely, wonderful. Okay, so something that's very pleasing to the taste is very tasty, it's delicious. Or more generally, just very pleasing, delightful. I think the stories that you told us were absolutely delectable. I think you could also actually use the word a delectable or delectables. So a delicatessen sells delectables, things that are delicious or delightful. The words he used in the poem were delectably evocative. Okay, so let's see, charming, pleasant, delightful, agreeable, adorable, in this more general sense. He was a delectable young man with charming conversation. And then delectable as in something delicious, something tasty, something very satisfying, very enticing. It looks dainty. Yum, yum, yum. It looks absolutely scrumptious. Yeah, it really looks very yummy. It looks absolutely delectable. So, delectable, very pleasing, delightful, especially to the senses, primarily to the taste, but second visually, but it could be any of the other senses. The delectable feel of silk on my skin. Okay, so delectable, something that's mouth-watering, that's full of flavor. Yeah. Delectable handmade cheese. The song had a delectable melody. Yeah, the shop window was full of delectable cakes that I just wanted to eat all of them. I think, let's see, if you use delectable to talk about taste, then the formality, I'm going to give it 5.5, use it anywhere. I think the delectable Miss Jones. 5.5 to 6 in formality. The delectable sound of the music. This is getting more artistic and more literary, maybe 6.5. Okay, so delectable, something that's delightful, it's enjoyable, it's highly pleasing, or it looks absolutely delicious, it tastes delicious. So the table was spread with delectables for me to eat. Okay, so I've done the formality. As to origin, this is another one from Latin, from delectabilis, from delectare, to charm, so charming, and clearly this is related to the word delight, delicious, things like that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Delectable.